Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, without any further ado, for my very first video, we'll have an LED light show using Tinkercad Simulator. As you can see, I made a flower-like shape by the 12 LEDs, and other components I used are Arduino Uno R3, one breadboard, 12 resistors, and of course, connected them through wires. I intentionally colored the wires white from the LEDs to resistors and breadboard so that it would look neat. I will just give a copy of the source code to the description box. May I remind you that I only use the simplest and manual method of structuring the code as a fulfillment of our basic introduction. I will show you first the interaction with user input. To choose from 9 LED light effects, and we'll have a light show with music for the last part. So, let's try it out!